Lila Tove, everybody. It's Cantor Shelly, here with Molly the dog. She fell asleep. I haven't even started the story. Already she fell asleep. In fairness, though, she just had a bath. So I'm going to show you how fluffy she is. Before we go to bed, we always take baths. I think I just irritated her. Well, as long as you're willing, I'll tell you a story. My book today is Fridays Are Special. Today's Friday. Shabbat's coming. This book is by Chris Barish, and it's illustrated by Melissa E.Y. And it's a PJ Library book that I got in the mail. Fridays are special. I hope you can see the pictures. I snuggled in my bed last night. Soft moon looked down on me. Now peeking from the covers, bright sun is what I see. I'm sorry if I woke you, Molly. My daddy's in the kitchen. His hair and hands are white. I smell the Friday challah. We'll all eat some tonight. Does your daddy make challah or your mommy make challah? I don't make my challah. I buy it. I feel kind of bad about that. Cold air tingles on my cheeks. Soft mittens warm my hands. Tova is tugging on my scarf. Snow sparkles as it lands. It's cold today. Not snowing, but a little bit cold. Mommy lifts me way up high. I help pick leafy greens. Friday nights are special. We eat like kings and queens. Nana holds me on her lap for stories and a song. Tova cuddles up with us. She likes to sing along. Who's that knocking on the door? My cousins, Ben and Jake. Yum! I smell warm cinnamon from Nana's apple cake. The sun is almost gone now. My family gathers round. Coins blink, blink in Grandpa's vest. It's his tzedakah sound. That's a nice thing to do on Friday, to give coins to tzedakah. We all stand by the mantle. The candles shine so bright. I peek between my fingers. It's such a pretty sight. The matzah balls are fluffy, and the challah tastes so sweet. I crawl under the table, so many legs and feet. Do you see little Tova the dog? She's going to give the baby a kiss. My favorite blanket hugs me. A pillow holds my head. Shema is whispered like a breath. I cuddle in my bed. High in the sky, stars twinkle. I close my sleepy eyes, safe and warm until I wake to see Shabbat's sunrise. Do you all know how to do the Shema before bed? It's very easy, and you can have your parent help you. But I'm going to take off my glasses. You want to do it too with me, Molly? Okay, Molly, what we do is we're going to put our hands over the eyes. So hands over your eyes like that. And we sing Shema Yisrael Adonai Eloheinu, Adonai Echad. And then you get tucked in, Molly. Tucked in good. Tucked in right with your blanket. And I say, good night, sweet girl. Good night to you too. I hope you have a lovely Shabbat tonight and get plenty of sleep. Maybe you'll even decide to sleep in a little bit. I know mommies and daddies really like that. Lila Tov.